Punch Cola, Sea of Lights. This is their latest album or sixth album. Well, let's start. I bought this copy just like that. You'll be wondering why the booklet is not inserted into that card wallet case. Well, I'll tell you later. But first, let's check the front cover. Alright, the front cover. Yeah. Yes. Yep. This is the front cover. It's beautiful. Okay, the inlay part. Yes. Yep. The track list. And barcode and catalog number. Yes, the catalog number is here. Well, let's check. What is it? Here. Wait. Alright. Oh yeah, there you go. Nice. Okay, the booklet. Yep. Yes, this is the booklet. Alright. It's gonna be too long. Yep. The lyrics. Yep. And yep. Credits. Special thanks. Yep. Yep. And this one. Yep. This is the booklet. Let's check again. Alright. Oh, oops. Oh, what the? Focus, man. Focus. Okay, yeah. There you go. Yep. Yeah, baby. This one. Oh, yes. Promises featuring Karylle. And this one. Yep. Okay. The special thanks part. Right. Ah, good. Nice. Here. Yep. Yes. Here. Yeah, there you go. Alright, let's check the CD. Yeah. Yep. Yep. There you go. It's beautiful. Yeah. Yes. Alright, this one. Okay. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Now you see it. Yeah. Alright. Ah. Yeah. Alright, let's try insert this booklet. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh, not good. Not good. No. Oh, this is not good. Oh. Ah. No. Now I know. Alright, let's check their social media. Yup, this is their biography. Yeah, Sponge Cola 1998 and their associated acts. Yes. Yeah, that's right. One. Yeah, Palabas, Transit, Subtitle. Araw Oras Tagpuan, Ultra Bless. Yan, Sinagtala. That's it. Yeah, discography and this one. Right, singles. And their awards. Yeah, that's right. Yup. Follow their Facebook page, like them. Yeah, right. That's it. And subscribe to their YouTube channel. Yeah, videos out here. So that's it for tonight. Subscribe for more videos. Oh yeah, support the band by buying their merchandise and going to their gigs. Goodbye and happy hunting. And as always, stay safe everyone.